Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to integrate Hubspot CRM on Shopify. First, go to the Shopify website and make sure you log it in. Now, from the left-hand menu, click on Add Apps. Then, click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type HubSpot and press Enter. From the results, click on the app named HubSpot. Now, click on the Install button. Then, click on Install again to confirm. After installation, click on Continue with this user to connect your Shopify account. Next, click on Start Sign Up. Now, enter your company name when asked. Then type in your company website URL. After that, select how many people work at your company. You will also need to answer a few setup questions. Just select the options that apply to your business. Once done, solve the image verification puzzle to confirm you're not a robot. Then, click on Complete Connection. Now, you'll be asked to enter your email address. You can also sign in using Google, Microsoft, Apple, or SSO. In this example, choose Continue with Google. Then, select your Google account from the list. After that, a verification code will be sent to your Gmail. Open your Gmail inbox, find the email from HubSpot and copy the code. Now, go back to the page and paste the code into the field. And that's it, you've successfully integrated Hubspot CRM with your Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.